spark check on this motor. Those are aftermarket coils, but go ahead and turn over. Okay. So that's only sparking on 2 cylinders. That's number 2 and 3. Hold the camera for me if you would. There are the spark plug wires for 3 and 4, and so I'm going to take 1 and 2 off. Plug in number 4. Right there. Number 3 right there. Go ahead and do it again. Number 3 that's firing, and that was 3 and 4, and neither of those. So it's just sparking on 2 cylinders. So we're going to do a DVA test and find out what's failed on it. We might be going into the carburetors. If you could see, someone's really manhandled the screws on the carburetor. And that doesn't look much like gas. Doesn't smell good either. All right.